If you're into crafting, sewing, or DIY projects, you've probably heard of Joann Fabrics. But recently, a website called Joann Overstock has been making waves, claiming to sell sewing machines and craft supplies at unbelievably low prices. The big question is Joann Overstock legit? Well, today we're going to uncover the truth. At first glance, the website looks professional. It has a clean design, tons of craft supplies, and discounts that seem too good to pass up. But here's the problem. People who order from this site never actually receive their products. That's right. Joann Overstock is a scam. Many people have shared their experiences online saying they placed orders and never got their items. And when they tried to reach customer service, there was no response. Some buyers noticed strange details on their invoices. Instead of listing sewing machines or fabric, their receipts showed completely different items, things like black jeans. That's a huge red flag. Another thing that raises suspicion is the payment process. Many shoppers found that their credit and debit cards wouldn't go through and they were forced to use PayPal instead. While PayPal offers some buyer protection, scammers often use this method to avoid detection. The real Joann Fabrics has even issued warnings about fake websites. They've made it clear that their only official site is joann.com. If you see another site claiming to be connected to them, it's a scam. So, what can you do if you've been scammed? First, contact your bank immediately and report any fraudulent charges. If you paid through PayPal, file a dispute as soon as possible. And don't forget to spread the word. Tell your friends, post online, and help others avoid falling for this scam. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more updates.